How to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using an updated version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Intune Company Portal and tap on that. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. Next fix for this issue is launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Intune Company Portal application and tap on it. Now tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the application. And if the issue persists, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and tap hold on the Intune Company Portal application. You will see the Remove App option. Tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again. And then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Intune Company Portal application and reinstall the application again, and your Intune Company Portal app should be working just fine by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.